Easy advice for dealing with heartburn. Pushing your way through each day with acid reflux can seem not only intimidating but very tiresome. It is painful to boot. You may not realize that there are more things than you know of to help you push acid reflux out of your life. Focus on the tips and tricks that are discussed in this video, and you can surely find a way out. Stay away from acidic foods. They can both cause and exacerbate acid reflux. While this is by no means a comprehensive list, try to avoid oranges, tomatoes, grapefruit and vinegar. If you can't cut them out of your diet completely, at least try to avoid eating them in the evenings, so acid reflux doesn't strike when it is time for bed. Don't confuse acid reflux with GERD. The latter can be a very serious indication that you've got other problems, whereas most often acid reflux is related to eating and lifestyle. If you're not sure, see your doctor right away and find out what's going on with your digestive system right away. Treat your acid reflux symptoms by hydrating yourself. Increase your water intake. Water fulfills your need for hydration. This also promotes healthy digestion. Helping your food digest with water will decrease the acid production that occurs in the stomach. When you are eating all of your meals, take your time and savor each bite. It is a good idea to put your fork down between each and every bite. This is a good way to stop yourself from overeating, which means a dramatic reduction in all of your acid reflux symptoms. Eat your food slowly. You should eat slowly and stop when you are full. Eat while sitting down, slowly eat your food and savor it without focusing on anything else. Stuffing yourself and wolfing down your food will surely lead to acid reflux. An excellent method of slowing down your eating is putting down your fork or spoon after you have taken each bite. Smaller portion sizes will help you control your acid reflux. If you eat a little less at each meal, you shouldn't have as much trouble with heartburn. You could also try eating 5 or 6 small meals, instead of 3 large meals each day if you want to make a difference. Hopefully the tips and advice that have been discussed in this video have given you the confidence you need to close the door on acid reflux. Now is the time to put your plan into action so that you can produce the results you're looking for. Use what you have learned, and acid reflux will be waving goodbye. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.